guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to unlink your PC from OneDrive or how to turn off the sync your folders. Also, I'm going to explain how to disconnect synchronizations between your OneDrive and your PC. Basically, what you need to do is you need to go under your user. Example, go to C drive, because if you are not able to see anything, go to C drive and then users and go to your particular user. Here you can see this OneDrive here. So I'm going to maximize it and the large icon, view extra large icons. Yeah, fine. So actually the OneDrive folder is here. So if you're getting right, no more storage error, that also you can fix it here. So right click and go to OneDrive, and here we need to go to settings. Go to settings, okay. Here you can turn off, okay, the synchronizations, okay. Also you can choose the manage backup and you can turn it off. Already mine is disabled because there is no space in OneDrive. So automatically it got disconnected. It's saying unable to sync. You can just ignore. If you have space, definitely you will be able to enable to turn it off. So just turn it off, okay, all this, and then close it. But now I'm going to completely disconnect from my PC, okay. So for that you need to go to your account, okay, and then here you can see these options, unlink this PC. So I'm going to do unlink. Your OneDrive files will stop syncing. Locally available files will remain on this device, while online only files will be removed. So I'm going to unlink it, okay. So now you can see the folder image is changed. See, it is completely changed. So I have successfully unlinked. And if you want to link it right, again you need to go to OneDrive and you need to sign in with your account. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can unlink your PC from OneDrive. Thank you so much for watching. Please put in the comments and feedback. Thank you. Bye. Take care.